ideal future city is based on sustainable principles, especially sharing.
The future city in my mind is comprehensive. The variable framework and responsive tree, similar to the mobile modulars.
The future city will be a blend of virtual and physical space,
creating an environment that is governed by the collective wisdom of the community members.
We managed to propose a system that can be empowered by AI to organize structural elements.
I also want to create a new city which could reorganize its space structure to meet different space needs.